Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this extra large French door air fryer toaster oven. This has 25 cooking functions, additional controls, and 7 accessories that are included. This is a stainless steel 26 quart capacity. Alright, so today we've received our French door air fryer 360. This is an Emeril Lagasse. This one does have 25 cooking functions such as air frying, rotisserie, you got French fries, so you have many different choices to choose to cook in your house. So it does have bake, air fry, toast, rotisserie, grill, roast, slow cook, pizza, dehydrate, reheat, broil, and keep warm. So if you like pizza and you don't like to put it in the microwave, especially to reheating, this is a great option. It does have a 360-degree air crisp technology, which superheated air cooks food quickly and evenly. It has the all air flow with even less fat. So when you do air frying, you can do air fried chicken. You don't have to worry about any of the fat. So these adapters, you have one to pick up the pan when it's hot. So that is for your trays that hold your vegetables. You also have another one for your rotisserie. And this one right here holds these bottom pots right here. So you don't have to touch them, or you can use your mittens if you'd like. So that other one I just showed you, that goes to lift this one up. The other one goes to hold the baskets and also the racks. You do have a drip pan. You also have another bottom pan. So you can see there's air fry, fries, toast, rotisserie, chicken, pizza, wings, eggs, steak, vegetables, defrost, grill, bacon, ribs, fish, slow cook, pastry, proof, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat. So inside this air fryer, you also get 7 accessories. So besides picking up the plates, you also get a place to put your vegetables. So you can air fry your vegetables. You can also steam them if you like. This is just a pan you can use if you want to cook chicken. There is one at the very bottom, which is your drip pan. So personally, I use aluminum foil on it just so I don't have to wash the drip pan as much. So these doors open regardless what size you do. So if you open this side, it opens the other door. If you open the other side, it opens this door. Be careful because it does slam shut. So these numbers here on the side basically tells you what part of the rack you should put when you're cooking specific things. So here is some more instructions. And then down here you can see they have the drip pan. So these little bars here at the bottom, if you're going to reheat, that's what it does to reheat. So you might want to move your rack up a little higher. So, and then these ones right here in the middle, that is for your rotisserie. So I did buy this because I wanted to do rotisserie chicken, and I also wanted to do my own French fries. So the air fryer, you got the thing at the top. Here is the drip pan. So this is a really nice drip pan. It is easy to clean, but I do recommend using aluminum foil. That way you don't have to keep washing this. So, and then here is the start guide, and you also have a manual that basically tells you how to set it. You can change the temperature, you can change the time just by the little knob at the top. It does have preset settings, so if you're doing French fries, it automatically has a preset for that. So right here it has the accessories, weight, capacity, and it also tells you what shelf to put whatever you're going to bake, broil, or air fry. So this is just all in here, the preset information. You got some more preset information. So the product dimensions of this is 16.9 inch deep by 15.8 inches wide by 14.8 inches high. This is a stainless steel. The capacity is about 22 liters. It does roast, broil, break, air fry, and dehydrate. So this is basically turns off automatically when your toaster ends the timer. There's no burnt toast indicated where the toasting is blue, the timer ends, it turns off. There's 25 cooking presets, provides a variety of cooking, ribs, defrost, bake, toast, chicken, pastry, slow cook, roast, reheat, and warm up. It has a dual speed fan, which is a golden fry crisp at the finest with 360 superheated air circulation. So here's all the other accessories you get. So this is where you'll put your vegetables. And also you could use this for your French fries. So if you're going to do French fries, I would recommend putting it at the bottom setting because it does air fry, especially up on the top. So here's another pan if you want to do chicken. So you can cook several things at once if you'd like. So reheating, if you're going to do a reheat, I would put the pan up a little bit higher. If you're going to air fry, I would recommend taking the pan and put it down lower. So that right there is for the rotisserie. It does also come with the little clips that you'd put into your meat. That way it actually turns. So right now we're just going to do air fry. So the presetting is at 400 for 39 minutes. So I'm just changing through each of the settings so you can see that the temperature is up at the top, the time is at the bottom. You'll use this little round knob to turn to different presettings. You also have a thing at the top right here that is for the heat, the timer, the fan, light, cancel, start, and pause. So you can adjust the time as well as the temperature. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and cook a little bit of French fries. So where the heat from the air fry is this little round thing here at the top. So that is why if you're going to do air frying, I would recommend putting the panel down to the farthest at the very bottom. If you're going to reheat, actually do it a little bit higher because those little bars right there are for reheating. And for my vegetables and also my French fries, I use the vegetable little pan. That way it cooks evenly from the top and the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my French fries all cut up and cleaned up, and then I'll go and come back and show you when I put them in, and then I'll also show you after they're done cooking. So again, these doors do open and close by themselves regardless which side you use. Be careful because they do fling close really quickly, so I would just be careful with the door. So I'm going to come back. So now that I've already done the French fries, I've already set it to the air fry, and I've just done it the standard 400 for 39 minutes. I've already salted my fries, cut them up. So I did about lower ones. And then what I'm going to do is wait for those to cook, and then I'll come back to show you the process of the French fries itself. So it's already been 15 minutes in, so it's saying I've got about 14 minutes left. We're cooking at about 400. You can see that the light is on, and it's actually cooking the top and the bottom. So I do use these baskets. This one here just helps it give an even cook. So we're just going to wait a little bit and come back once that's done. Alright, so now we have 3.5 minutes left, and the top ones are getting a bit crumbled. So you can see they're starting to be more like French fries at the bottom one because the top one's kind of covering the bottom one. So you can do just one, or you can take that out and do the bottom one. But you can see the steam at the bottom, but that is perfectly normal. So you can see the heat here at the top. That's why I recommend doing it a little bit lower so they don't get too crispy. If you like your French fries crispy, you might want to do it at this side of the rack. But if you like them not so crispy, you might want to do it this bottom one. So now they are completely finished, and I'm just going to take them out. You can see that these ones are completely done. The bottom ones not so much, so I'm just going to have to run another timer for the bottom ones, but these ones came out perfectly. I love the fact that I can make my home French fries, also doing rotisserie and a lot more things without actually having to use my oven. So if you're looking for an air fry toaster oven, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one's got a lot of room to cook about almost anything.